Alright, so this is a siding repair job. You can see we got that piece there. We'll call that 2 feet. Another piece, 2 pieces here. Call that another 2 feet each. We got this piece down here. Call that another 2 feet. This one right here, that's rotten. So this piece also, another 2 feet. This piece here, starting from right here, coming across there, it's a short piece. That's, we'll just call it 4 feet. And this is actually masonite type siding. As you can see, it's made to look like cedar, but it's actually just masonite. And you can see right here, he's already replaced some with hardy plank. So that's what we want to do. We want to replace it with primed, unpainted hardy plank. I do not want it painted or caulked. I just want you guys to come out and replace the pieces. I'm going to send over a different guy to paint and caulk it. And because this guy is he wants everything to look perfect. This piece right here, I would say this one too. Starting here and go over. So that piece where it's messed up, and then underneath of it, all the way across to here. We have one piece here, it's probably hard to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10th piece up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can't really see, but the bottom of it's rotting. You'll be able to see it clearly when you're here. Most of this over here is fine. Over here, we have this piece. Try to zoom you back out on it. That's probably a 6-foot piece. This piece, in between the 2 windows, that I would say is a 12-foot piece. There's a hole right there. So, I don't know, just cut 2 feet or so off of that board and replace it. This piece here also, behind the light, that stops right there at that butt joint. I don't know if I already mentioned that one or not. So that's about 6 feet. I think that actually right here too, second board up. Yeah, second board right there, all the way across. Call that 4 feet. I think that's about all of them over here. Up on top of here, there's a window up on top there. We need to do the windowsill. On top of the garage here, this piece of brick molding is wood. The sides are PVC. We'll replace that piece of brick molding on top of the garage with a solid piece of PVC. These bottom 2 boards here, call those 1.5 feet, 2 feet. This bottom one here, actually the bottom 2 right there. Bottom 2 right there. I think everything else over here was okay. And on the bottom of the chimney, the bottom piece on each side. So the left, the middle, and the right. All 3 of those bottom pieces. think that's everything. And we're gonna repaint all of the railings, the ceiling on the porch, the fascia, and the risers, and the band board, all white, and then on the deck boards, go back, match that color, and do the same thing. One coat on all of this here. And then some touch-up white spots around the house trim anywhere where it's still looks like it needs it after a power wash. Deck is about 38 feet long, 5 feet deep. And you can see the whole ceiling needs to be done. So all the trim and all the ceiling that way. And back there it says 38 feet by 5 feet. And then this is the deck. Most of it's in really good shape. But right here on the steps is where it needs it the most. Alright, got the railings. 2 sets of railings. And later on, potentially doing lattice all underneath here with PVC 2x2s and vinyl small diamond lattice. These are each about 7-foot lengths, and then running some boards across here, horizontal running boards to cover in there. Same thing over here, and then another 2 chunks of lattice work through here. That's it.